Today I am going to discuss the new chapter Transmission of Heat. In the chapter, first I discuss conduction. Okay? What is the meaning of conduction? Conduction means heat transfer from one place to other place without movement of particles. Once again I repeat now. What is the meaning of conduction? Here heat transfer from one place to other place without movement of particles. This phenomena is called conduction. The best example for conduction is solids. I take solid rod. Inside the rod molecules is here. This is diagramly represented as here. This is the molecule inside the solid. Okay. Here heat is given. Heat is a form of energy. Because of energy, this particle move and bombarded with neighboring particle, and again heat transfer from here to here, and this bombarding particle return back, and again this particle move and bombarding with neighboring molecule, and heat transferred here to here, this particle returns back. That means here all particles returns back in the same position, but heat transfer from one place to other place. This phenomena is called as conduction. This is the solid rod. The best example is metal rod. Here heat transfer one end of the rod to other end of the rod. Move avali ante heat flow avali ante heat flow one end of the rod to other end of the rod. Heat flow one end of the rod to other end of the rod. Heat flows one end of the rod to other end of the rod. This rod yellow the heat that means the capacity or ability of rod or material. Capacity or ability of the rod to allow the heat. This capability is nothing but the conductivity. This is also called as thermal conductivity. What is the thermal conductivity? The ability or capacity of the material to allow the heat. The capacity of the material is known as conductivity. Here, look here. This is the rod. For example, this is the rod. This rod, metal rod length L. Cross sectional area A. Yet in this end, temperature is theta 1. In this end, temperature is theta 2. Once again, I repeat, this is the metal rod of length L, cross sectional area A. One end temperature theta 1, other end temperature theta 2. Here, according to question, theta 1 greater than theta 2. That means this end high temperature, this end low temperature. Because of temperature difference, which will be flow? Heat. Rate of heat flow. Rate means time. Denominator lo time rate antaru. Rate of flow of heat. Q is nothing but the heat. Rate of flow of heat mainly depends upon the temperature difference. Okay. High temperature minus low temperature. Transmission of heat, that means rate of flow of heat mainly depends upon the temperature difference and also depends upon the cross sectional area. That means cross sectional area more unte, here more molecules unte, more absorb the heat. That means Q by D directly proportional to area. And I take two rods. These two rods. One is short rod, other is long rod. ఈ రెండిట్లో హీట్ వన్ ఎండ్ టు అదర్ ఎండ్ ఎక్కడ క్విక్లీ మూవ్ అవుతుంది షార్ట్ రాడ్. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ లెంత్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ నాన్న, లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద రాడ్ మోర్ ఉంటే హీట్ ఫ్లో లెస్ నాన్న, మరి లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద రాడ్ లెస్ ఉంటే హీట్ ఫ్లో మోర్. దట్ మీన్స్ క్విక్లీ వన్ ఎండ్ టు అదర్ ఎండ్ ఎక్కడ మూవ్ అవుతుంది సార్ అంటే షార్టెస్ట్ రాడ్ నాన్న. ఇట్లా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు Q/T. T డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ఎల్. లెంత్ స్మాల్ కాబట్టి స్మాల్ అయితే టైం కూడా స్మాల్, ఇట్ మూవ్స్ వన్ ఎండ్ టు అదర్ ఎండ్. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ సింప్లీ కాల్ యాజ్ ఇన్ ద కండక్షన్ Q/T mainly depends upon the three factors nana. One is temperature difference, other one is cross sectional area, and other one is length is inversely. So all will be combinedly write as theta 1 minus theta 2 into A by L. Proportional can be removed to write constant nana, to write constant. This proportionality constant is called as K nana. K is called coefficient of thermal conductivity. K into A into theta 1 minus theta 2 by L nana. Okay, here nana, this is the formula for Q/T. What is the formula for Q/T nana? K is proportionality constant, A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. Once again repeat, what is the formula for Q/T nana? Q/T equal to K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. Here K is called proportionality constant, that is also called as coefficient of thermal conductivity. K is called proportionality constant, that is called coefficient of thermal conductivity. Coefficient of thermal conductivity. ఇది మెయిన్లీ దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది అంటే నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ద మెటీరియల్ అనా. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ మెటీరియల్ K is always constant. A material change, K value also change. What is the Q/T formula? K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. అక్కడ A is cross sectional area of the given material, length is length of the material, L is length of the material, theta 1 minus theta 2 is the temperature difference. Here look here now, look here, Q/T, what is the formula? K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. Theta 1 minus theta 2 by L called as temperature gradient. Potential by length, potential gradient. Velocity by length, velocity gradient. Similarly, temperature difference by length is called temperature gradient. Here Q/T another formula nana, KATG. Once again I repeat, Q/T equal to, what is the basic formula in the chapter? K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. It is denominator to write theta 1 minus theta 2 by L by Ka. Here look here nana, L by Ka is nothing but the resistance nana. This is potential difference. Q/T is right as a current flow nana, heat flow, current flow. Temperature difference, potential difference. L by Ka right as resistance nana. In the chapter, L by Ka is called as thermal resistance. Once again I repeat, L by Ka is called thermal resistance. Thermal resistance, generally resistance denoted by R. For example, this is the rod nana, this is also rod nana. Here two rods are in series. Series and according to electricity, Rs equal to R1 plus R2. Equal, R are equal resistance అయితే 2R, R plus R 2R. 3 rods అయితే 2R, 3 rods అయితే 3R, n rods అయితే nR. అలానే ఇలా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి నన్ను. హియర్ దీస్ టూ రాడ్స్ ఇలా ఉన్నాయి. ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? ప్యారలల్గా ఉన్నాయి. ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటే 1 RP ఫార్ములా 1/RP ఈక్వల్ టు Tell me Nana, electricity 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. అదే ఈక్వల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అయితే RP ఈక్వల్ టు R by N. Here N is a number of resistors. N is called number of resistors. Here R is called resistance of the each resistor. RB is called effective resistance in the parallel combination. These two formulas nana. In the chapter, one keyword also given to solve the problem. That keyword is steady state. Steady state can seen in the question Q by T equal to constant. Steady state, that means steady state to see heat flow in the material is always at any point is same. Simply called as Q by T is constant. Once again I repeat, first Q by T formula K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. Here theta 1 minus theta 2 by L is called temperature gradient. L by Ka is called thermal resistance. Resistance all are connected in series. RS formula R1 plus R2 and so on. Equal resistance అయితే NR. N అంటే number of resistors. R అంటే resistance of the each resistor. అలానే parallel combination to check them. And again a keyword in the problem in the chapter steady state. Steady state means Q by T equal to constant. Q by T equal to constant. Now I discuss some problems in these models. Hold. I discuss okay problems in the conduction. First problem. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. Here three rods are there. First rod, second rod, third rod. These three rods have same length, same area. Here keyword in the problem, same dimension. Same dimension means this length, this length, this length. Same. Cross-sectional area same, cross-sectional area same, cross-sectional area same. Thermal conductivity is different. 3K, 2K, K. అయితే ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ నా లుక్ హియర్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో చేద్దాం. I ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ I1 I2. ఇన్ దిస్ పాయింట్ కరెంట్ డివైడ్. కరెంట్ ఇన్ ద చాప్టర్ నో కరెంట్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ హీట్. హియర్ I ఈక్వల్ టు I1 ప్లస్ I2 అకార్డింగ్ టు కిర్చాఫ్ ఫస్ట్. I అంటే ఇన్ ద చాప్టర్ Q by T ఈక్వల్ టు Q by T of 1 plus Q by T of 2. Okay. Here Q by T formula K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. Okay. This is the formula. Here I substitute. Okay. Q by T. Here what is the K value? K value 3K. Area A. Temperature difference 100 T. Here 100 minus T. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕనుక్కోవాలి తెలుసా? జంక్షన్ టెంపరేచర్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇది కనుక్కోవాలి. T కనుక్కోవాలి. బై ఓకే K A theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. This length L. Okay. Here this is the formula nana. Here Q by T completed equal to Q by T of 1. This rod K value is 2K. Area A. Temperature difference T 50. T minus 50 temperature difference by length is L because three rods have same area, same length. Next K A temperature difference T minus 0 by N. Okay. Here T minus 0. Okay. Next one, all will be left and right side cancel. K cancel, A cancel, L cancel. Remaining is 3 into 100 minus T equal to 2 into T minus 50 plus 1 into T. This is the finally we get 3 into 100, 300 minus 3t, 2t minus 100 plus t. Right side 3t minus 100. Here 300 minus 3t. Minus other side plus now. Here minus other side plus 300 plus 100, 400 equal to 60. T equal to 400 by 6. Here 200 by 3 nana. This is the finally we get the problem. Here next model nana, I discuss very important model. Next I discuss I am going to discuss very important problem. This is the lake nana. Look here all of you. Lake. In the cold countries nana, temperature fall, upper layer becomes ice nana because of anomalous expansion. Its temperature decrease and 0 kanna low nana, -1, -2, -3. Then the thickness of the ice increases. Here time taken, initial thickness of the ice is for example x1, final thickness of the ice is x2. Here x1 to x2 growth అవుతుంది కదా, అంటే థిక్నెస్ ఏమైంది, ఇంక్రీజ్ అవడానికి వాట్ టైం టేకెన్ టు గ్రోత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఐస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇనీషియల్ థిక్నెస్ టు ఫైనల్ థిక్నెస్. టైంకి ఫార్ములా నాన్న డైరెక్ట్లీ ఐ గివ్ rho L by 2 kT x2 square minus x1 square. Here T ante time nana, rho ante density of ice nana, L ante latent heat of ice nana, K ante coefficient of thermal conductivity of the ice nana, T ante టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్. ఒకసారి చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా, ఇది 0 డిగ్రీ ఉంటుంది నాన్న ఇక్కడ ఐస్ కదా, ఇది లేక్ అట్మాస్ఫిరిక్ టెంపరేచర్ -2 అయితే ఉందనుకున్నాం, ఇదిగోండి -2. ఇప్పుడు టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అన్నాడు 0 -2, మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ +2, టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 2 డిగ్రీ. ఇక్కడ 10 ఉందనుకోండి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్, 0 -10 అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది 10. Here T indicate temperature difference, x1 indicate initial thickness of the ice, x2 indicate final thickness of the ice. Okay, once again I repeat, what is the time taken by the growth of the ice is rho L by 2 kT into x2 square minus x1 square. Here x1 indicate initial thickness of the ice, x2 indicate final thickness of the ice. One problem I solve nana. Here first initially x1 is 0 centimeter, x2 is according to question x2 is 1 centimeter. అంటే 0 centimeter నుంచి 1 centimeter గ్రోన్ అవడానికి ఐస్ పట్టిన టైం ఎంత అంటే 5 hours. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కేస్ 2 నానా, క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ఇనీషియల్ థిక్నెస్ ఈజ్ 1 centimeter, final thickness is 2 centimeter, time taken by the grown of ice. This is the question. We know that time formula, time taken to growth of the ice formula, rho L by 2 kT x2 square minus x1 square. According to this question, time directly proportional to here. Here x2 square minus x1 square. Okay, here what is the final answer we get, T2 by T1, right side nana, right side. In the case 2, x2 square minus x1 square. What is the x2 square, 2 square 4, x1 square 1 by x2 square in the first case 1, x1 square 0, x1 and the initial thickness, x2 and the final thickness. 4 minus 1 3 by 1. T2 by T1 value 5 hours. What is the T2 value, 3 into 5 will get 15 hours. Okay, next problem nana, very important model. Next also To look here, Nana, third problem. According to this question, Nana, this is the rod, Nana. Here, this is the rod. Here, two rods in series. Okay? Series, Nana. In the two rods, same length and same material, transfer a given amount of heat in 12 seconds when they are joined end to end. They are joined end to end. Here, same length, Nana, two rods, length same, material same means K same. Okay? అయితే ఈ మరి నాకు టూ రాడ్స్ ఏమో సేమ్ లెంత్ అండ్ సేమ్ మెటీరియల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ 12 సెకండ్ వెన్ దే ఆర్ జాయిండ్ ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్. ద స్మాల్ డౌట్ ఏంటి అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండక్షన్ క్యూ బై టీ ఫార్ములా కే. ఓకే, ఓఆర్ఆర్ ఇట్లా రాయొచ్చుగా, θ1 మైనస్ θ2 బై ఆర్. ఓకే, అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ టాపిక్ హియర్ look here nana, next case nana, ila unnayi nana, look here, two rods arranged parallel, that means this combination is parallel combination. Okay, here also transfer of same heat in same condition ante heat same ichadu, temperature difference same ichadu, దీని ప్రకారం టైము ఆరు ఎలా ఉన్నాయి నాన్న, డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ ఉన్నాయి. అంతే కదా, ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతేగా. క్యూ బై టీ అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి నాన్న, θ1 మైనస్ θ2 బై ఆర్. సేమ్ కండిషన్స్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి సేమ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ అన్నాడు. టీ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ఆర్. బట్ దిస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ సిరీస్, దిస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ ప్యారలల్. సో దట్స్ వై టీ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ఆర్. Simply call as T2 by T1 equal to RP. Second case parallel, first case series. Here, look here, T2 again, T1 is given 12 seconds, T1 is given 12 seconds, RP and all are equal resistance ఉన్నప్పుడు RP direct formula R by N. Here ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి rods? 2 rods, R by 2. RS NR kada, here also 2 rods, 2R, RR what cancel. Here 2 into 2 4, T2 by 12. Here 12 by 4 3 అంటే 3 seconds పడుతుంది. దీంట్లో హీట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవడానికి 3 seconds పడుతుంది. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను కదా, క్యూ బై టీ ఫార్ములా ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్లో θ1 మైనస్ θ2 బై ఆర్. T directly proportional to R. RS అయితే NR, RP అయితే R by N. Okay, last problem, very important model here also. Look here now, all of you students. Fourth question. Here one rod is given. Look here, one rod is given. This total rod length is given 40 centimeters. At the one end 100 degrees Celsius, other end maintained at 20 degrees Celsius. At the steady state condition, the temperature at a point at a distance 30 centimeters from the hot end of the rod. Hot end నుంచి ఎక్కడ తీసుకోమన్నాడు, 30 centimeters. ఓకే, ఈ ఎండ్ దగ్గర 30 centimeters ఎండ్ దగ్గర మొత్తం రాడ్ లెంత్ ఎంత నాన్న, 40 centimeters నాన్న. 40 centimeters, 40 centimeters లో 30 centimeter ఎండ్ దగ్గర temperature can be determined. In the chapter temperature denoted by theta. Nana, keyword in the problem is steady state condition. Once minute nana, steady state condition means Q by T value is constant nana. Okay, already I given Q by T of the first part equal to Q by T of the first part equal to Q by T of the second part. First part equal to second part. Here, according to this line, left side can be considered as a first part, right side can be considered as a second part. First part equal to second part. What is the Q by T formula generally? K A θ1 minus θ2 by L. Okay, these all are same material. So here coefficient of thermal conductivity K, area also same A, temperature difference in the question is 100 theta, 100 minus theta, high temperature minus low temperature by L, here to here, how much length nana? 30 centimeter equal to, again same formula I write, K A, temperature difference is theta minus 20 by 10 nana, Ka cancel, 0 cancel. Here left side what will be remain? 100 minus theta by 3 equal to theta minus 20. Finally we get 100 minus theta equal to 3 theta minus 60, minus other side plus 160 equal to 4 theta equal to 40. Next concept, next class I will discuss, okay, concept of radiation, okay. That is also most important topic to see the video and problems.